Something mega is happening here? Welcome to Megatherm, where innovations are forced to meet the ever-evolving thermal needs of the future. We take pride in setting industry standards with a wide range of products and services, including induction hardening and heat treatment equipment, induction melting and holding furnaces, induction billet heaters for forging, induction online billet heaters, static frequency converters, transformers, ladle refining furnaces, arc furnaces, continuous casting machines of various radii. Our extensive and growing product line establishes us as a global industry leader. With over 3,000 installations worldwide, our client base is across 52 countries.
This trust, generated over 35 years, stems from our dedication to innovation and reliability.
Founded by Mr. Sheshadri Bhushan Chanda in 1989, Megatherm has moved forward with his vision of leaving a mark on the thermal induction sphere. Having passed out of Jadavpur University with 7 gold medals in 1977 and gaining on-the-job experience with Tata and GEC, he established the roots of Megatherm in West Bengal.
Megatherm took its first steps as a small factory at the outskirts of Kolkata, located in Sector 5, Salt Lake Electronics Complex. Within 10 years, we had a large market share domestically. With time, our production requirements multiplied.
And because of our growing manufacturing needs, we expanded our production capacity.
In 2016, Satadri Chanda joined Megatherm after completing his Masters in Engineering from Virginia Tech, USA, and then working at KPMG as a strategy consultant.
From a humble 10,000 square feet factory, Megatherm has grown significantly.
And as of today, our infrastructure spans over 10 acres in Kharagpur with capital support from the Ministry of Electronics, Government of India. This includes state-of-the-art manufacturing, testing and R&D facilities with dedicated sheds for induction equipment, transformers, mechanical machining and fabrication. Additionally, the company's headquarters is in Sector 5, Kolkata, at the heart of the city's IT hub. Since rolling out its first induction melting furnace in 1991, Megatherm has crossed several milestones which include exporting their first ladle refining furnace in 2006, substituting environmentally polluting oil-fired furnace with induction billet heater at Tata Motors in 2009, delivering electric arc furnace to Chittaranjan Locomotive Works for Alloy Steel Foundry in 2013, exporting their first 132 kV 30 MVA substation transformer in 2013, launching their green induction melting furnace, which has achieved energy consumption below 465 kWh per ton of steel in 2022. In 2024, Megatherm Induction Limited was listed on the National Stock Exchange. From cutting-edge contemporary technology to setting industry benchmarks, Megatherm believes in revolutionizing sustainable thermal solutions for a greener future through constant research and development. With 25 branch offices globally and an extensive R&D facility, Megatherm is supported by an over 500-strong team comprised of more than 100 engineers engaged in sales, service, R&D and design, as well as over 150 personnel for complete backward integration. We have tie-ups with premier academic institutes as well as international academicians.
And we all work towards assisting the customer every step of the way. Once an order and its drawings are confirmed, the production process starts. Once the manufacturing is completed, the products undergo several stages of testing before being shipped to customers around the world.
Under the guidance of our engineers, the products are installed and commissioned at our clients' sites. Megatherm functions as a customer-centric company that places utmost importance on the after-sales services as it does on processing.
It is well known in the market that Megatherm has led the way for major design changes that have become industry standards. And as of today, our induction furnaces have achieved a baseline of 455 kilowatt hours per ton for mild steel and 475 kilowatt hours per ton for cast iron in the case of small furnaces. In the steel segment, we have touched 12,000 tons monthly production from a 10 megawatt 22 ton furnace system. For high productivity requirements, we have successfully implemented high power density furnaces. For example, 18 megawatt power for 30 ton furnaces, 15 megawatt power for 25 ton furnaces, and 12 megawatt power for 20 ton furnaces, and so on. When it comes to forging applications, we can deliver a productivity of 3.2 kgs per kilowatt hour and only 22 kilowatt hours per ton for 100 degrees rise in temperature in the case of online billet heaters which go into the steel sector. Our transformer design and manufacturing process ensures minimum losses and high reliability under harsh conditions. And along with the rest of our products, Megatherm is poised for rapid expansion.
Megatherm, meeting thermal challenges through induction.